Thank you! Thank you, Nanay! Wow! This is what I was waiting for! Thank you, Nanay! I love you! Look at this one now! Are we not allowed to open it here?
Wait lang. Open the other gifts muna.
This. Oh, it's probably the same as Mia. That's a different one. How to open this one? This. I don't know what's this. What is it?
Anak, you only have 3 gifts ha kasi your gift is very expensive eh.
This one now. So fun.
Later niyan. Sige, mag-open muna kayo.
And the last one. I'm so proud of you, Nana. Proud? Happy. Oh my God! Lego set! This one now. Final one. Nana, this is real Lego set. Thank you. Nana, how much was this?
That's from your tatay.
Backpack. It's a Lego backpack. Oh, sorry. Shout out to my tatay.
Ha?
Shout out to my tatay.
Shout out to your tatay.
Where should I put this so much?
Anak, doon na lang muna. Ako nang bahala dyan.
Can I do the Lego set?
Nagliligpit sila.
I love it.
Good job, guys.
Can I do the Lego set?
Not today. Tonight. Anak, kasi ano,
At least can I play with this?
we'll go to Batangas later, 4 a.m.
Can we bring this so you can use?
No, not there, anak. Please.
I might use the pieces. How to open this now?
Are you guys happy?
Yeah. Can you? That I can give it real model. It's even real model.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Thank you. Can you tell? Can you take a video of us playing with it? 14. Now can I play with it? Or no?
Of course.
Okay. It's like the toy in.
Anak, let me help you open the box.
I think I know how, Nana.
So you won't break it, anak. Ha? I'll open.